Please continue.
Okay, so all right. So now we want to change a little bit of concept. This is a lady doctor that helps people for weight loss, who are fat people, she
Okay.
helps them. So
Okay.
on every button we should write schedule an appointment. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So on every button, just like this one, schedule an appointment.
This. Yes. Yes. Right. I got it.
And like this one, these two.
Okay, so we can do it from like this. When user click the appointment button, then they see a pop-up. The pop-up showing a from like date, time,
This
and when submit button click the user, then we set a mail from the host on the website. Then the data will send the host email
Yes,
like
yes,
this.
yes, exactly. So when someone clicks on the appointment, it will
Yeah.
ask from them, for example, their name, their email, okay? And
Okay. Okay,
then,
so one thing, please ask the client which
mhm,
information actually he input the from, like time, date, name, first name, last name, contact number, etc. Actually, the variant type of booking option. Someone need only email address, only phone number, someone need also the time, that if client give the which information is need for the appointment, then it will be easy for us to create the appointment from.
yeah, I totally understand. I will ask from client and I will let you know what she says and what she needs, okay?
Okay.
And after that information, people will be able to select any date,
Yes, yes.
any
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
then schedule the
Yeah, no,
meeting.
no problem.
After that,
Yeah.
about in uh, uh, here you can see my screen, right? So,
Yes, yes. I want to
so,
see.
so here will be a section that is, uh, let me see. So we will have a section that says how it works. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and I will design this page for you, and
Okay.
and when someone clicks on that page, how it works, we will have a page there. We have total information that how this website works and what are the prices.
Okay. So can you please design the anxiety page,
uh, maybe
PSD?
we maybe we will not need an anxiety page, maybe. So on remove by we will remove anxiety page and we will write how it works.
Okay, okay. So we should remove the anxiety and it's replace like that how it's work, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so we can put it on the about page.
Yes, how it works will be here and also
Yes.
somewhere on the home page, just like on this banner, this one.
Okay, okay. So we can put on the section on the home page how it work. When click user
Yes,
click the how it work, then it will go to the menu. This page actually. Are you thinking to create the how it work page design like
yes,
PSD?
yes. I'm thinking about creating PhD because there are one step, two step, three step, four step.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think I think I have to create these steps for you so you can easily just develop them. I think we have name of these. She has three services basically. So I think initial
Okay.
consultation is $100. Then semaglute is $300 a month. These services that I told you about, these one, these. Okay. So we might have
Okay.
different pages for these. Say like another
Okay.
page
So
for this and this.
okay. So um, you should also design those three
Ye-
page.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
But
It's
I
a
will I
okay. No
will
problem.
ask I will ask from client because we might just design one page for all three services.
It's a great idea because
Yes.
when user click the services, then if there are not much more details or
Mhm.
like there are these, if we keep the three section, then it will be easy to client find out the all service in one page.
Yes,
Otherwise, when you click the first one, then user should the back again and go to the second one, back again, go to the third one. It is little complicated, you know.
yes,
If we
yes.
keep the one page, then it will be easy for us.
Yes, you are right, and we will do this exactly because we have small data, not much data. So we will do the
Yes,
just one page for all the services. And for now, just remove this depression page because I don't know what else client needs, but I want to give her all the basic things she's asking for.
you say it according to, then we have the one four menus in the header, right?
Yes, yes. For now, we will
Okay,
have
so
only four main header, main four
okay,
menu, four sections. Yes.
yeah, okay. So client asks for one thing. If we keep the four menu, it's okay, no problem. But if we keep the five menu, then it will be very nice, and we can put on last menu one thing, contact. Then user, I'm just suggesting you, client, if you approve, then we can keep on here. We can set here one menu like contacts. If need any users or any visitor need to contact, then if
Mm-hmm.
they see the contact menu, then click here, user see the all details, and we can keep last section in a map if he have any chamber like that. So you
Oh,
can tell the client, then client, if you approve, then we can input here, no problem.
yes, yes, you are exactly right. So let's do this. You are right. You are actually very right. Let's do home services. Then we will have maybe how it works. Then
Okay,
about
then about us,
then about us. Then contact.
first menu was homepage, and second menu should the about.
Okay.
Then three we can put on how it work or service, but always I see that first homepage, and then they always keep the about. Then client and you think what
All,
we do, no problem.
all right, brother. I leave up to you because you are experienced. You are, you are professional in this field. So I leave up to you. However you want to do, just do it. I'm just telling you my requirement.
Okay, okay, brother.
Okay.
And other thing, any other thing?
Yes. Beside this, we will have homepage. We will need to fill up this image. This is invest. See.
Oh yes. So if you have any issues with the image, then you just send me the image without text, without the button. Then I will put it here. No
Okay,
problem.
brother. Okay, I will all now I will send you only the PNG images what for wherever I need. Okay.
Okay, brother. So you can send me. So I will do it as soon as possible. No problem.
Okay, because this client is she is very in hurry, quick. She wants to complete as soon as possible. So I'm just trying to, give her everything before Friday.
So we have 2 days, right?
Yes, we have 2 days.
Okay, no problem. I think we will done within 2 days.
Yes, I think it's possible. I will uh, work today on this website. I will give you everything that I need, like for that how it works page, every images, banners. I will send you everything today.
Okay, so if you can send me today, then I will start to work next day, and I
Okay.
hope within week before the Friday we can done it. No problem.
Okay, okay, bro. Thank you.
Thank
So
you, bro.
we might need to remove add to cart for now because, but I'm not guaranteed from her because she provides services but doesn't sell these products. You understand?
If he need the WooCommerce option,
Yes.
so why we purchase the theme? Then we can do it manually on a simple theme and Elementor and Elementor Pro. It
You,
will be
you know
very easy to handle the client.
Yeah, I don't know, but she did not, gave me clear instructions before. She
Okay, so no problem. You ask the client for higher budget. Actually, normally e-commerce site have a higher budget than the others, simple website. No
Sure.
problem.
Uh, let's do this. For now, keep this because she might need in future. But for now, we will
Yeah,
focus
yeah, yeah,
on.
yeah. Let's have the domain, right? No problem. If client want to put on here personal email address, then it will be okay, no problem. So ask the email address that client want to the details,
Okay.
the booking detail.
Yes, yes, I understand. I will help her to create the official domain uh, email address that is related to her website.
Okay, brother. So let's do it and let me know when you're done. I'll start work. Don't
Oh,
worry about it.
okay, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much for your kind help.